Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you this Victorian hair combo tutorial in Dress to Impress. So let's serve Victorian royalty realness. If you want to turn heads on DTI runway, this hair combo tutorials gives you the perfect Victorian inspired updo that's elegant, timeless, and totally slay worthy. So let me show you how to create this hair. So in here there are 4 hair that you need to put on. The first one here, you can go to the curly category and put on this hair. Choose the color that you prefer. Here I'm going to just go with brown and then combine it with this hair, also in the same color. Then this curly hair. And last one, click on bangs and use this pink bangs in here. Use the same color. And now your Victorian hair is done. And this is the final look. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this hair, don't forget to click on the thumbs up, subscribe, and click on the thanks for more hair hacks in DTI. Bye!